Hajj village.
Last year, you got to Abano. Na menu akwa Kuba na hini. And akwa good city fish also. And I kapao. Eshia wo Angeli ai. Ana me catch with your phone na say NDC ni MPP. Say ya to abawie that's a man to ama movement na motoma NDC a. Asemo akwaku usu ba na hene ka no. Ebe abaye asemo a apojasika na apojasi akwakoka kwaku usu ba na hene die. Enya no na si. Obi biara obi defend sa haja asemo we no. No mpe omani take it from me. No mpe omani. Enra Ekufuado Cathedral de koi Haji the NDC beko. I'm telling you.
Mami ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Ora Solomon in cancer nipa ba ko bi okaseti a His Excellency the former president na don Ekufuado na NPP aban omo atwemi okaseti omo aban na nya asem keto akra titru pa in National Cathedral no okaseti apapa na NDC for ba asodin o kan sentra mo monte also mba bisi the hard village the ama Muslims na mo komeka no na so bon cancer chese say the National Cathedral the NPP ko opposition no mo kra do 4 years ni ntwenwie hard village no the mo be content em kra na so bon cancer chese obi a wa kana no atom wa shut up the mark about this particular issue no on pagan ye. Now personally I don't think madness because me obia me tie
Edom Bekofi. Let me tell you something. Yeah? As on my own, I was set on my and say you take steps near to me a prevent this a hard in your man. A tourism. Look, a nipa 5,000 and a bay person left to call Jeddah. Yeah. Mecca, Meboa.
Yes.
Obia to say 62,000 Ghana cedis. What it means in this young Kosa Haju Imbrano, 310 million Ghana cedis. What the court dollar terms are $20 million.
Within 2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks, Yakoseno. Hey!
And you say, say, religious.
Monia religion, eh? Yet if he muti komuti or hiemu kromwa. Yeah, pet. Bibi ama yetu debia yeka yesi Muslim communities yesi Zongo communities ya pese left uplifting
but solo young clarify say sikana individuals in it here
no na me ba hono those individuals are part of nation building pese sikano yetumi amoma so monfanya enterprises bi ma o mo community a nyame nsa wom alansa wom
ma monko haje no
koyedey yeah, Empire. Near to be mono. So throughout the year, no Empire na Mubono Cromandie and Empire.
Islamic
principles. And you go Yabusumi or the young first principles. NDC a double sword party. Now, me fee say, and no, baby, a free uncle Obiano. Mons. Look, in the year 2013, every a free uncle, yes,
Claudia was for Germany. As a supplement grandma only. Champions Saudi, you know. Also, Saudi Hitler and the Fuso. So, guys, great grandfather and Hitler. School head, you too, simply because of what Hitler did. And what he did is a fact, it's there. Who come out and say Hitler was better than anybody? No. I mean, Rollins history, no. Oh, goodness. Young Queen, collect clothes for my Mopa Musuma Dienche. Do nipan kan no kre owi dewe ta 20 years any atete ano muso Ekufuado years na muso maka right you mo fuso mo kono no ko boda na ayi ko fi watch that we reduce social around you ko fi watch they have to ask me okay now nyana so obi o wona na oka bijai the exclusive ba ko bi wa insult against Anatol Rollins concerned women of Kole demand probe omo anko probe kwame meaning the omo paso omo concerned women of Kole Zanato in the Nenye insult. Nano, which it was a comeuppance, and I like the fact that it was swift and fast. It will be her last lesson, and she will never repeat that behavior again. Kwame will be at the end of the say the Jibidam Kwahuan and Bush and Fonsan, Rollins, and Mubiafo, whom could do people for them now, dear, now, Abraham Munia and the Mocanos.
It's not all, did they insult anybody?
But they know who be insult to now, so one year no insult to who insult to be Kwame. Or what tracing the water woman when you may buffet to judge and cast one engine. Because it was a way class lady. You know, I admire her.
For crashing.
Oh, goodness, Kwame. Hey, oh, but I simply don't support this move, and I don't begrudge anybody who thinks Rollins was like that. It's a fact. And we are not prepared to talk about this, but I have followed many who are all discussing. Rollins has no chance.
When I talk about
anybody,
it will be an emotional situation. Maybe one day it will appear in my memoirs.
Professor Kofi Ellison of Asankofa Asante, good morning to you. I mean, the time now to me, so monitor, it should be somewhere in the night back in the US at the time, but he always makes time to listen to us. Black Rasta on camera crime or catches and out so on Krantumne and Krantumtina. Now the more now all baby share crocodile tears, every drop of that tear will open the can of worms more. Now your mind papa be pie in your bra and people like that, Kwame, they will never taste, they will not even go near anywhere political power. Would you say Hitler on Yabusa for Germany? As a supplement grandma only. Champions Saudi, also Saudi Hitler and Fuso. So guys, great grandfather and Hitler. School head, Yaba knew too, simply because of what Hitler did. And what he did is a fact, it's there. Who come out and say Hitler was better than anybody? No. Kwame, Rollins history, no. Oh goodness. Collect cloth for my Mopa Musuma Dienchi. The Nipanka no cre.
Oh,
maybe.
A chief for now reform function and a human occupational hazard sometimes. I will say, to be honest with you, sir, political equalization are a cause for my women and you're healthy. Am I gonna for bread? Because JDM, we were made to believe said your mama always said to Ghana. What it means is he is going to challenge the status quo. Tinyamadada now pratitia Ghana for fee say Emma Kanko Emma Ninya Hono. Your mama has sure say or Baba system not the Ghana see papa so. So what it means is equalization any concept them because one say I got to abba NDC from mama buy you. A lot of people join force with NDC to oust Akufo-Addo because Akufo-Addo amemwono na airtime na enye. Now say ya to abana aba to yeninti obi be lose na dwuma koye unemployed a nua ade hardwene jedi kai enipa 1000 ekotena fi because abaya sesa the mere change of government be lose na dwuma as a citizen of Ghana. What it means is say democracy na we don't understand. It doesn't matter to be and dada